Starting a YouTube channel in 30 days is totally achievable if you break it down into manageable steps. First, take the initial week to plan your niche, set goals, and create a brand look with a unique name and visuals. Then brainstorm video topics that fit your audience's interests, creating a content calendar to keep you consistent. In the second week, set up your channel and equipment. Film a simple introductory video and learn some basic editing skills to make it engaging. Upload your video by the end of the week, focusing on SEO-friendly titles and descriptions to maximize reach. In the last 2 weeks, focus on refining your presentation by creating eye-catching thumbnails, promoting your video across social media, and engaging with viewers who leave comments. Monitor your video's performance metrics such as watch time and click-through rate to understand what's working. Consider filming and scheduling additional videos to stay consistent in future uploads. By the end of 30 days, you'll have a channel with engaging content, a growing audience, and a clear plan for future success. With dedication and steady improvement, you'll be well on your way to building a successful YouTube presence.